Joomla Nutshell. Hello, this is Elijah Clark here with JoomlaNutshell.com, and what I'm going to show you now is actually how to create a new contact form for your website. Now, one way, what I'm actually going to do here, say if we want to add a new contact us form here, a new link that takes us to a page where we're able to fill out some information and submit that to our website support team or our specific user. So the first thing I did was I had to create a new user. Now, in order to do that, I had to go to Component and Contacts and then go to Contacts. And this is where I created those users. I created a user called Elijah Clark and one called user demo. So, and I'm able to make sure they're public. You can set them to private if you only want to show them the logged in users and whatnot. And I put a category set up for them called designers. And that's in another tutorial that you may want to check out in order to set up the categories and whatnot. So, but the first thing I want to do is make sure that I do have some users, make sure I do have a category in order to do this next tutorial. Now, the first thing, I'm actually going to go under menu and go down to top and then click on that. And that'll actually show me the top menu, which is the menu I'm going to add that item. So I want to put contact us right here. So I want to make sure that's the proper position. So once I get there, I click on new, and I'm just going to add a new item. And this item is going to be called contact us. And that menu is going to be of a list of contacts in a specific category. So I only have one category. I'm just going to put it under designers. So that's the category I have. That's where I want to place it. And once that's done, I can make different changes here if I want to. I can change the list layout, change the contact. There's many different changes that you can make by using this set of supplies over here if you wanted to. So I'm just going to leave everything the way it is and just click on save. And then I'm going to refresh the home page. And I'm able to see that link here. And now I can click on that link and it'll take me to my designers list, and where I can click that information. I can click which one I want to go to, and of course if that user has their information filled out, it will show up on the front end here. So I'm just going to click on Elijah Clark, and it takes me here where my contact information would show if I had some underneath there, and then I have the contact form where users are able to submit that and then send it to my email address. Now, say for instance, if you don't want this layout, and this is just for this template, of course, also for this demo, which is the slider layout. What you want to do is you actually want to go to list layout. Actually, no, what was it? List layout? No, contact display. There it is. Contact display. We're going to put format, and we can change it here. Right now, it's at slider. You can put it in tab, or you can put it in plain text, which most of you will probably use. And I'm just going to put it in plain. Come back. Refresh this page, and there you have it inside the plain format. Now, in order to add some contact details, if I wanted to add email address and whatnot, I actually got to do that outside of this list. So what I'm going to do is go to that contacts here and go to Elijah Clark, and then I can go to contact details where I'm able to add different items here. So if I want to put CEO, put an email address here, Elijah C at me. If I want to add that there, you can add many different things here if you want to, like I said. And I'm just going to click on save, and then I can refresh that again, and you'll actually be able to see that those items underneath here if I wanted you to. As you can see, this says CEO, and of course we just got to make sure everything else is public. Right now, the contact me and email address and whatnot. So I can go to display option, go to show email address, and then click on save again, and that will show that email for us. But like I said, there's many different options to choose from over there if you wanted to. But that is how you create a contact form. Like I said, you can add that link at the top. You can add that link to the sides. You can add it to the bottom. You can add to any menu link you want to. But of course, it's done under the back end, under that menu. So we're going to go to top, and then you go to that menu link, and you can either add it here or delete it here, and make sure you press select and then choose which option you want to add it. Like I said, there's many different to choose from, but that is how you set it up. That is how you utilize it.